Now, let me show you how you can change your avatar on Duolingo. So the way that it works is that you open up the Duolingo app like this, and as you can see now I'm on the main page where I'm going through my lessons and progress and everything. But if I want to change and customize my avatar, I need to click on the three dots in at the bottom right for more options. Then click on profile in here, and as you can see, this is my profile. So I have my name and this is my avatar. So to make changes to it, I just tap on it like this. And you're going to get to the page where you can control it, right? So you can change all of the different things like the eye shape, colors, the different hairstyle, whether it has glasses, mustache, clothing, and so on. So that's how you can control it and basically set it up. You can also change the suit in here because this is like the special edition stuff for the World Cup, which is already, behind, but whatever. You can still keep the suits of different countries, so that's really nice and interesting. But most importantly, you are changing the avatar in here. So if you make any changes in here, you definitely make sure that you hit the save button right there, or just come back to, leave avatar as it was. But that's how you can customize it. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to find it on your device as well. Subscribe for more, and I'll catch you later in the next upload.